Today I am gonna tell you some cool WhatsApp tricks like translating your chat live, using WhatsApp instead of Paytm or Google Pay, or even hiding your location inside an image. So let's start with 10 WhatsApp tips, tricks, and features. WhatsApp updated the old search bar with a new advanced search feature. So once you click search, you see a bunch of search options like photos, videos, links, etc. And if you want to search for the photos of a specific chart, then click on photos and type the name. This shows all the media in our chart listed here. You can do the same for links, GIFs, audio, etc. With this new update, it looks like WhatsApp is taking WhatsApp payments so seriously. Click on this three dot menu on the top right corner and now you will see a new option called Payments. Clicking this will redirect you to a page where you have all payment options like payment history, payment methods, etc. The best part is you also have a QR code. And yes, this is the same QR code that we use for payments like PhonePe, Paytm, Google Pay, etc. So anyone can scan this QR code and send you money which will directly go to your bank account. We all have that one friend whose voice notes can never be opened when you are around someone. And this is the place where transcriber comes into picture. Press and hold on an audio message and then tap share. Now click on transcribe. This converts the voice message to text message and then shows directly on the screen. Interesting, right? Please do note that this app is in early access and sometimes may not work properly, but once the official version is out, we can expect it to be much better. Say you like the audio in this video very much and wanted to share just the audio in status, but that's not possible in WhatsApp. So for that, select the video file and tap on the pencil icon. Now choose any color and then press and hold on the video once. This applies that color to the entire video, hiding everything beneath it. Now you can add stickers and text etc. to make it more interesting. We all plan for trips and outings, and when we do that, we normally decide in a group chat. But the problem is, people keep on responding to places which makes you lose the track of selection. Introducing Wallace. This app can create polls. For example, I am going to create a question, places for trip, and now I am adding places here. Once done, I can share this link. Now people can vote using this link so that you can see how many people voted for a specific place and which one has got more votes. You can even swipe to see the list of people and which person choose which place. It's really useful and it makes a lot of sense. Chart Translator. This is a translate app, but what's so great about it? This can translate your chart in real time from any language to any language. Imagine someone sent you a message in some other language and you don't know that language. For example, Japanese. Can you see this translate button on the top? Click on that. Now it will ask you the language and it will translate the message. The best part is type your reply in English but it will send in Japanese. This even supports Indian languages like Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, etc. Normally, we share location in this way, but actually, you can place your location inside an image as well. For example, your friend has asked you to send your location. Now, you can download an image like this and then click on this location sticker, select your location and then place it here in the image. It kinda looks cool, right? At first he'll be confused, but when he clicks on that image, he can access your exact location inside Maps. If you have used WhatsApp Web, then you would know that you can log into only one system using WhatsApp Web. But WhatsApp updated this. Click on this plus icon and you can scan and use WhatsApp Web in multiple devices as well. And as you guys can see it, I am using in 3 devices right now. Note that these features are currently in beta, and if you are already a beta tester, you would receive the update. If not, I will give you the beta join link in the description down below, so click on that and enroll. WhatsApp also added Messenger Room options to chat options. Once you click on the room option here, WhatsApp will redirect you to the Messenger to create a room. After creating the room, you can send that link in WhatsApp group chat or a normal chat you wanted to interact with. Now the final trick. Sometimes we really like the WhatsApp status your friends post, and if you want to save that, you can ask him. But if you don't want to ask him, then you can do this. Go to File Manager. Now you need to enable the option to show hidden files. After doing that, go to this path, WhatsApp, Media, Statuses. Here you can see all the statuses and you can save them and you can share them. So guys, that's all about this video. Hope you guys like it, and if you did, smash that like button and also subscribe for more amazing tech content. I hope to see you in my next video.